Hey there everyone, it's me again, Airwave. Welcome back to my channels. So this video is a quick tip for Kontakt users, and there are many of you, and you buy a lot of libraries, and or maybe you download them if they're free, just like the instrument, and I'm gonna let you hear here. It's a beautiful violin by Performance Samples, and let's say you want to give those instruments that you have a second life. Maybe you paid a lot of money for them and they, after a while you just get bored of it and just want a new sound. Listen up. Here it is. So here's the sound. Beautiful. Okay, cool. So what about transforming this sound into some kind of really inspiring legato instrument, legato synthesizer with a lot of organic elements that turns you into some kind of pioneer of music composition for, well, let's say, cut the crap here. Here it is. You just need this tune knob here. Put it to minus 24. Look at what happens. Of course, the legato is really slow, so forget about speedy action or whatever. Let's put a reverb on there, but I'm using Replica for that purpose, and you will see why. Actually, I use this. I put Replica to 0 milliseconds, diffusion, the size here, the amount to 0%, very important. And here, I can eventually go and do this now. Start with a little bit less reverb, well, delay reverb, whatever. I can even try a little bit of diffusion. And let's try something like distortion on top of that. We'll see. Let's go for something simple. I don't know. Side effects. I love this one. Wow, it sounds fantastic. By the way, no, the very drive. Then you put the mix in here. That's it. Easy, isn't it? So we go from this one here, here, nice to this in like 10 seconds. Works even better but with other instruments such as the ADOs. Let me check here for ADO because I have some ADO stuff here. You have to hear that on the Adagio violin because it has a very nice and doubled up legato on the violin, on the solo violin. You have to hear that. It's really funny here. Oh yeah, replace that. Can go even to 24. Told you this is a power tip for you guys. You can even remove the fat effects just for So, next time you're complaining about not having the right Kontakt instruments that inspire you and everything, well, think again. You can try this tip on horns, on drums, on everything. Well, especially on legato, of course, but that tune thing on legato instruments with a nice digital or kind of bucket brigade delay will do the trick, and it sends your stuff into another dimension, in my opinion. Hope you like this one. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my videos. Thank you a lot for your attention. See you next time. Bye.